to Anirux channel. I'm your host Allegra DX. And in this video I will tell you interesting facts about dogs. Number 1. Dogs dream like people. If you've ever noticed your pooch twitching in her sleep, this probably means she's dreaming. Researchers found that dogs have similar sleep patterns and brain activity as humans, and that small breeds tend to dream more than large ones. Psychology Today suggests they're probably imagining familiar activities like playing outside or chasing their tail. Number 2. Dogs have 18 muscles controlling their ears. If you have a dog, you might notice that their ears move around a lot. They actually have around 18 muscles responsible for moving their ears. These help them to change the direction of their ears slightly to hear noises around them better, and play a really big part in telling us how our dogs are feeling. A lot of a dog's body language is expressed through what their ears are doing, so a dog's ears are vital in helping them communicate both with us and other dogs. Number 3. Dogs don't sweat like we do. While dogs do sweat, don't expect them to be getting damp armpits anytime soon. Where humans sweat watery liquid to cool down, dogs produce a pheromone-laden oily substance that us humans can't detect. Dogs know it's there because of that great sense of smell. The only place that dogs sweat like us is on their paws, so instead they pant to cool down. This is why it's so important to keep your dog cool on those warmer days to make it easier on them. Number 4. There are around 900 million dogs in the world. It's a challenge to estimate how many dogs currently live around the world, but according to the most recent estimates, there are approximately 900 million. About 85% of those dogs are considered free-range, meaning they are not owned by humans, and an estimated 200 million dogs are strays, according to the World Health Organization. With many countries requiring pets to be registered, The country with the most pet dogs is France, which has a dog-to-human ratio of 17 to 100. Number 5. Dogs are direct descendants of wolves. There are many breeds of dogs that look like wolves, but did you know that all the dogs we love today have descended from the wild wolf? Modern dogs are closely related to two populations of ancient wolves, one from Asia and one from Europe. According to a study looking at ancient DNA, wolves would certainly not make good pets, and while wolf-dog hybrids do exist, they are recommended only for experienced dog owners. Number 6. The best age to get a puppy. Many veterinarians and breeders agree that between 7-8 weeks is the most ideal time to bring a puppy home for the first time. The largest factor in this decision is the puppy's socialization period, which usually occurs during weeks 6-12. This period of time is when the puppy is learning the norms of everyday life. It's best for dogs to enter their new home during this time so they can adapt to their new environment. Number 7. Your dog responds to your tone. Don't forget that dogs don't experience the full breadth of emotions humans do. So if you're trying to train or admonish your dog, taking an angry tone and a very loud voice might just make him skittish. According to Hartstein, your prosodic of speech, tone, rhythm, and the pitch of your voice are far more important than what you're actually saying. That's also a big part of the reason dogs respond positively to that high-pitched cute pet speak. Number 8. Dogs aren't actually colorblind. This is one of the most common dog facts that are actually false. Despite a prevailing myth that dogs can only see in black and white, your pooch actually can see a spectrum of color. While they do have trouble distinguishing between different shades of green and red, which will mostly just appear as grays and browns, blue and yellow tones are relatively clear to dogs. Number 9. Tail wagging has its own language. If your dog excitedly wags its tail, it means it's happy to see you, right? Not necessarily. According to Discovery.com, dogs wag their tails to the right when they're happy and to the left when they're frightened. Wagging low means they're insecure, and rapid tail wagging accompanied by tense muscles or dilated pupils can signal aggression. Number 10. Dogs are as smart as a 2-year-old child. According to canine researcher and author Stanley Coren, your toddler and pup are about on par when it comes to brains. He also explained that man's best friend can count, understand more than 150 words, and even trick people or other dogs to get treats. Intelligence also varies based on breed. Border Collies are the smartest dog breed.